113, and guess what we've started? We got the permits, we got a few delays with those, checks just went well, and look what's actually happening. We are starting to clean up debris after 113 days. I will also preface, this is private, so we hired the contractors, we did all the permitting. We have officially opted out of the FEMA, and most of that was due to timing. And luckily all of our neighbors did have debris coverage, which you can see we're starting to make progress. All right, new current lawsuit with the debris cleanup. There's apparently another one regarding the timelines, or well, it was more about timelines. That's something I've been concerned about the whole time with the company that they chose. I didn't think it was realistic, and us in this rebuilding phase, it's already exorbitantly long. I'm concerned about the FEMA cleanup and the time frames. I don't even know. Downtown Superior is actually dead last, which, you know, it's okay. I'm glad that they're moving to Old Town first, but I'm concerned about the timeline there. That's one of the reasons why we went private. We had a little bit more control. And as you can see, I'll do a quick or I'll just turn around. Hopefully not too fast, but you can see this is all around me. This was a area of 22 homes, so we weren't actually hit that bad, but you can see there nothing else has been cleaned up. We're the first to get it done. And the other thing I've noticed is the only people that I know that are making progress right now, they're people in the industry. So they're the people that know City of Superior officials, and I don't mean that as a bad way. I am in the industry, so being a realtor and investor, we also have a general contractor, architect on our team. Everybody that has made progress that I know knows people. So I can't say, which I do not think is fair or appropriate, and it just seems like it's a very difficult process. So a lot of the progress that I know for people that are making it, everyone's been in the industry, which I wish it was more straightforward, and it shouldn't be only people making progress that are in the industry and know who to call. I wish it was a little bit more fair and open. So that is a big concern of mine, where I don't think anyone was prepared for this. So it's a little bit of a mess in many ways, but thanks guys for tuning in. We are starting to make progress. It's slow, but you know what? We've got equipment out here, and we've got those extra wattles that City of Superior wanted us to install. So thanks guys for tuning in.